What's up, friends? So today is going to be a really quick chat addressing a question that I get pretty often, and that is, do you need to learn programming in order to get started in cloud? So hit me with a like and subscribe and come on back. Do you need to learn programming in order to get started in cloud? My short answer to that is no, with several caveats. Please keep in mind that there are several career paths within cloud. First suggestion would be to take the time to kind of research the different roles within cloud, see what the requirements are, and does that align with your interests? If you're into programming and you really do want to learn that, then take the time to go through the descriptions for what the DevOps engineer roles would require, what programming languages that you might need to learn to, just set yourself up for a successful career in DevOps. I would suggest Python just because a lot of the automation scripts are written in Python and it's pretty easy to pick up. Depending on your career pathway, the career pathway you're considering for cloud, you won't necessarily need to learn how to program. Programming is always a value add, so if it's something that you're interested in learning, learn it. But you don't need to be an expert in any particular language before you can start learning cloud skills and working towards a cloud certification. If you are new to cloud or new to tech, you'll most likely be placed in an entry-level position. So you won't be doing a lot of the heavy lifting, so that will give you a lot of time to learn how to program. I like to think of it as driving. When you go and take your driving exam to get your license, there aren't any questions on the maintenance of the vehicle, right? It's just get in there, operate it, parallel park. Honestly, to be honest, some of us still don't know how to parallel park, and we're out here on the road driving with licenses. So it's just a matter of getting over your initial fear and jumping in and learning. I think a lot of people, when they start learning a new skill, they get paralyzed. Like, I need to learn this before I can do that, instead of just jumping in and learning. And I get it. Learning is painful. It physically hurts to learn something new. So don't get caught up in the schematics of what you need to learn before you can start learning another skill, because you're wasting precious time. Just get in there and start learning. When I was in school, I took courses on JavaScript, C++, Ruby, Python. I did not retain not nearly enough of those skills. I have a little bit of Python retention. I picked up some JSON along the way. I can get myself in and out of the Vim editor, but I am nobody's Mr. Robot. Learning to program is only going to be a value add. So if it's something that you're interested in learning, if there's a specific language that you're leaning towards, go ahead and learn it. If you're interested in cloud and you have zero knowledge of programming or scripting in any way, don't let that scare you away. Start learning cloud, because the programming is something that you can learn in tandem or later down the line, or even when you get hired somewhere, if you're fortunate enough to, they will train you. All right, friends, thank you for watching. As usual, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section, send me an email. Today is November 12th. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video, but I just wanna send a hearty, happy PS5 day. To all of my gamer friends and homies. I'm looking forward to all of the unboxing and review videos and gameplay videos. It's a very exciting time. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you later.